This is total annihilation.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Danny Ferrari.
My name is Parker Ament.
And we are back with a very, very special video for you guys.
EDM buddies, dude.
EDM pals.
Big room duo.
We could do more than EDM, but we're EDM producers.
We might be able to.
We're trying it out today.
Yes,
we're gonna go ahead and
trying
see if we can make a beat for MGK, okay? We think we got it down. We're both fucking grew up in punk rock bands and
Metals. Hardcore.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if we can write a beat just for MGK. We have some ideas of what to do, but this is just gonna be sort of a live start to finish, making a track for MGK. Hopefully you guys like it.
Probably gonna turn into a record.
Yeah,
you know what I'm
and
saying?
then we're gonna give it to MGK, and then he's gonna sign us, and we become best friends, and then we're gonna have a falling out, and it's gonna be okay.
We're gonna partner with Travis Barker.
And
you know,
and then we're gonna part ways.
Youngblood.
Sick. Yeah, we just feel really inspired to try to make something different here. So hopefully you guys, come along and learn some stuff with us. We're gonna go ahead and kind of show you. We think it's really important to be multi-genre.
Yeah,
multi-genre.
I think we're gonna be responsible for the resurgence of rock. Don't you think? I think it's gonna be you and me.
Rock's coming back. We are clearly rock stars, and we're gonna show you guys that.
Yeah.
We're gonna wear some leather pants, and let's make our fucking MGK beat.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Subscribe down below, like the video, comment what you guys think, and let's just go ahead and get into it. What do you think?
Let's jump right in.
All right, cool. What are some things that MGK that we've noticed in his newer stuff that he's doing?
He's got like real drums mixed with hip hop drums.
Right.
He's got the trill hats.
Right.
He has big hooks.
He has
Big choruses.
real big hooks and real big sexy hooks. So it had like a punk rock sort of like pop punk sort of beat behind it. And he's kind of going through his lyrics kind of quickly with his raspy voice and his sort of pitch.
His black tongue.
His black tongue. I think definitely start with like listening to a couple of references. So we're not going to play them now, but we're going to go ahead and pull up his Spotify and listen to some references. And then we're going to jump back in and we're going to go ahead and just start playing some guitar. I think we lay down some guitar. So
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool.
A few moments later.
I think we should start with like a little like...
Should do like something clean.
Yeah, like a clean lick with maybe some delay and reverb. It could be a cool
let's
little
try
start.
All right, so he's pretty on time. I really like his.
Oh, thank you, bud.
Yeah,
It
dude.
didn't auto-quantize?
We're not gonna auto quantize
Did it auto-quantize? Is that me actually playing?
That's
on
you
time?
actually playing on
really?
time. Yeah,
See,
yeah.
you told me to practice.
I know, dude. I'm so happy, bro.
Yeah.
The easiest way to quantize something like this, because you don't want to take away the feel. What I like to do is I like to make a marker on the start and make a marker at the last one, and do really big movements. So I like starting right here. I'm gonna put this one on the 1, boom, and then I'm gonna squeeze this one. It's pretty close, so let's hear that. And of course, you're gonna wanna go to Complex Pro, and then you wanna do nice large movements. So like you could see this guy right here, this is off. So we're gonna go like this, but you don't wanna shift everything, so you're gonna wanna pick where it's on time. So maybe like that, and then boom, one of those. So see, some of them are off, but it's like nice.
Yeah. It gives that real feel to it.
Yeah. That's really nice.
So sometimes it's cool to slow down the track and play it that way. A lot of times me and Parker will go like piece by piece. But I think it's really important that like you take your time to try to make sure that this is right. I mean, we had to go back and turn off the reverb and the delay because we didn't want that delay carrying over. Stuff like that makes a big difference.
And then going in and comping the different parts, making it's kind of like vocals when you're recording vocals and comping different takes. We should do like another layer on this.
Yeah, okay, let's
try
do
it.
this straight up.
Yeah.
Now we gotta create the wall of sound.
The wall of sound.
The wall of sound.
Nice. All right, let's quantize these. Just throw them right on.
Do we need another layer of palm mute or no?
We should do another layer of,
Okay.
the palm muted. And I'll change the tone just a little bit to make it like nice and wide. Put this on the left.
Nailed it! Fucking nailed it!
Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. So I'm always listening to when he's playing to see which take is the best, and I heard that this one was the best. Bro, look how on time you are, bro. I didn't even do shit. I didn't do anything, bro.
Tell me to practice, bro. Practice. Gotta practice your
Let's
instruments.
fucking go, dude.
I feel like once we get all like the layers and everything, then we can kind of piece together the songs.
Yeah.
I think it'll be pretty easy once we build the layers first, and then we can kind of start putting them where we think they should go.
That's how I do a lot of hip hop stuff too, is
Yeah.
I just make a giant loop and then we start spreading it out.
I don't want to sing too much because I don't want to be out there breaking boys' hearts. You know what I mean?
I mean, dude, we have a lot to say.
I got a lot to say. I did drugs. Okay? I can sing about drugs too, MGK.
Yeah, bro. And your tongue's not even black.
What?
Octaves?
sick.
Octaves, dude?
Yeah, let's do some octaves.
Yeah.
That felt good.
Yeah, that felt really good.
That feels like there's already like a melody in there. I play better when I play with myself.
That's what he said.
I like to play with myself. Makes me play better. The wall of sound.
Yeah, the wall of sound. This one all the way, and then this one is 35. Same thing. -3. That's you.
I had this little part. I wasn't playing that part.
Oh, at the end?
Yeah.
Boom. 2. Forgot to save.
Oh yeah, I gotta save. Fuck yeah. What other parts do you think we need?
This is sick.
Do we need like a?
Yes.
Yeah, hit it.
Awesome. That's a fucking whole part, dude.
Yeah.
You can fucking play guitar, dude.
I can play.
You've been
punk rock.
practicing, dude.
I play punk rock.
Practicing.
Fucking in my sleep, dude. I used to do this when I was 12.
Let's get one more, dude. Let's get another one. Okay, cool.
So
So we got all those parts. Everything looks good.
should we start piecing it together?
Yeah. So let's do this. I'm gonna duplicate this
Duplicate.
by like 4. We'll do like 4 here.
Maybe the break is the hook.
Oh yeah. It's kind of hard. I like that. Yeah, that's sick. All right, and then we'll do that.
Doing a little basic structure here.
Yep. And then verse over here. All right, should we do some drums, dude?
Yeah, now that we have a basic structure, let's go ahead and bring in some drums. We got a bunch of guitar parts that we did. I think this is the best way to write. It's
I
just
think so,
get
too.
it all out.
Yeah.
And if you need to add another part, you can bring the guitar back in or whatever. We
Yeah,
already got
I
ideas.
really like this, man. This is fucking killer.
So we're thinking like Travis Barker drums.
For sure,
So
Travis
this is
Barker
all
drums.
you.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Parker Spesh Steven Slate drums. I really like these metal ones. Let's try some of the rock ones just in case, like the ribeye.
I
See
love
what the
ribeye. It tastes
sounds like.
delicious.
I like this one though. That's too heavy. It might be a little too heavy.
Try it. Fuck
Let's
it. I
this.
don't care.
Yeah, here, let's put this master on because I'm gonna start slamming the drums real quick. So what I like to do with the Slate stuff, it's really hard to get this at the level of loudness that I really like. They usually make it really quiet. Like, see how quiet this is?
Yeah.
Because they like the dynamics, but I love to slam it. So what I like to do is I just throw a utility on there.
Slam that shit, bro.
And I fucking just pump it up. 6. So, starting with the snare.
Yeah, what's your thought process to get those like tasty fucking Travis Barker stick clicks and ride cymbals?
Yeah. Do some just basic loopage first. That's kind of sick.
That's kind of sick, that accent.
I like that. So I always start with the big accents first. Just dupe it out.
See, it's cool because like you can use this for EDM with the accents even too. With like a normal build would just be da 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 da, but even da 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 da.
I always start with the snare. I don't know why. It just kind of helps me build.
It's the anchors. You know,
Yeah.
it keeps the time. Maybe do some tom. That's so Travis Barker.
And then we can do
stick
like,
click?
yeah. Yeah, then maybe I'll just copy this over like this.
sounds so. That's crazy how you can do that.
Always mess with the velocities, dude. What if we did like a... That'd be sick. Take all this
I
shit
can't believe
out.
how fast you are at this shit, dude.
Oh, dude, this is the
smoke
fun
show.
part. Your favorite tool, dude.
Love that pencil. Let's hear it.
Don't drum shame me, dude.
I'm not gonna
All
drum
right?
shame, dude. I got it.
He's drum shaming me. I'm getting drum shamed.
Shame. Shame.
This is the appropriate fill. Got to.
Boots and pants.
Yeah, we'll try 4 on the floor, dude. Can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Now we need. Show these out a little bit.
Halftime, bro.
Oh yeah.
What if we did that, the
Dude,
808s and shit?
Great call,
Or
dude.
maybe just halftime with the drums. Hell yeah.
That's hard.
Dude, we could fucking beat Machine Gun Kelly, dude.
Bro.
What do you guys think? We didn't put any fucking hip hop in it, but whatever, dude.
Not yet. Dude, it's great.
Started a punk band, dude.
Yeah, bro. All right, so bridge. Be like a Tommy bridge.
No, I'm thinking just get like a no guitar, like no drums. Whoa, whatever makes you glad, but I got it what I wanted now. Lighter part, dude.
Ooh, lighters,
So it's
dude.
just like
you need
just
lighters.
guitar right there, like just a little calm guitar.
Yeah, check this out.
But there should be a part where it's just like guitar breakdown, spotlight, fucking
Oh yeah,
lighters
bro.
and shit, dude.
For sure, lighters.
Bunch of dudes kissing each other, bunch of girls kissing each other.
Everybody's kissing, dude.
Everybody starts making out.
Just tongue and saliva
Black
everywhere,
tongues
dude.
everywhere, dude.
Love everywhere, bro.
Love,
You know,
drug problems,
definitely a lot of drug problems.
domestic violence.
All right, you want to do some? You want to do
Yeah,
some
let me
bass?
do some bass. But set me up, bro. Set me up
All right,
with
I'll
the bass.
set you up. I'll set
Park
you
the
up,
bass
bro.
special.
Trillion's the way.
You're not the way, dude.
Clean Fender. Here it is. There it is, dude.
Let's hit it, bro.
All right, you're in, dude.
Oh man, bro. Tag me in, bro.
Tagged in.
Bass is always just like keep it as simple as possible, dude.
Yeah. So the velocity on Trillion, you have to do it right under the highest. Yeah. Yeah,
Nailed it,
dude. Angel ears.
Nailed it.
So sick.
Now we can kind of have fun a little bit with these. So yeah, if you just hold command, hold nugget nod, smoke this shit up, you can draw it.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
This one needs to hit. Yeah.